wrote these vows, I realized the hardest part wasn't finding something to say, it was deciding what to leave out. Every time I thought I had found the right words, I realized they still weren't enough. How do you capture more than 6 years of loving someone in just a few minutes? The truth is that this collection of words could never do our love justice, but if these vows accomplish one thing, I hope they remind you of what you've always known. There has never been a moment when I doubted that you are the person I want beside me for the rest of my life.
Hold your head up high, this is our time. Hold your head up high, this is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high, this is our time.
I promise that I will keep falling in love with you. Not just for the man you are today, but for every version that I will be lucky enough to meet in the years to come. I love you more than I could have ever imagined and cannot wait to be your wife.